Hey party enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. With the new year just around the corner, it's time to get your party hats on and celebrate in style. In today's video, I'm going to share some fantastic decoration ideas, tips, and the latest trends to make your New Year's bash an unforgettable one. Let's dive right into some decoration ideas that will transform your space into a dazzling New Year's wonderland. Create a show-stopping backdrop using metallic curtains, shimmering fabrics, or sequin curtains. These glimmering backgrounds will make your photos pop and add a touch of glamour to your party space. Balloons are an absolute must for any New Year's celebration. Go for a mix of metallic, confetti-filled, and oversized balloons in gold, silver, black, and white colors. Consider creating balloon arches or clusters as eye-catching focal points. Set up elegant tablescapes with metallic or sequin table runners, glittery confetti, and themed centerpieces like a DIY clock centerpiece to count down to midnight. Create a cozy ambience with string lights, LED candles, and fairy lights draped across walls or ceilings. Incorporate twinkling lights into your decorations to add a magical touch to the atmosphere. Set up a dedicated area for a photo booth with fun props like hats, glasses, and signs. Add a themed backdrop or a customized New Year's Eve banner for Instagram-worthy snaps. Personalized party favors add a thoughtful touch. Consider creating DIY favors like mini champagne bottles with custom labels, festive crackers, or mason jar cocktail kits. Now that you have some decoration ideas, let's talk about some essential tips to make your New Year's party a smashing success. Start planning early to ensure you have enough time to organize decorations, food, and activities. Choose a theme for your party to guide your decorations and create a cohesive atmosphere. Strike a balance between lively party vibes and comfortable spaces for conversations. Plan games and activities to keep your guests entertained throughout the night. Don't forget to plan a delicious menu and a variety of beverages to cater to all tastes. Now, let's talk about some trending decoration ideas for this New Year's Eve. Sustainable and eco-friendly decorations are gaining popularity. Consider using reusable party wear, natural elements like potted plants, or upcycled decor items. A minimalist approach with a touch of glamour is in vogue. Think sleek metallic accents, simple yet elegant table settings, and streamlined decor. Neon lights and signage are making a comeback, adding a vibrant and edgy feel to party spaces. Experiment with different textures like velvet, faux fur, and metallics to create depth and visual interest in your decorations. Create a stunning champagne tower as a focal point. Stack champagne glasses in a pyramid shape and pour bubbly at midnight for a spectacular display. Set the tone right from the start with a grand entrance. Use twinkle lights, lanterns, or a stylish welcome sign to greet your guests. Craft a DIY countdown clock with paper plates or a large wall clock to mark the final moments of the year. This can be both decorative and functional. Incorporate firework-themed decorations like hanging glittery stars, sparkler centerpieces, or firework-shaped ornaments to capture the festive spirit. Create a signature cocktail station with a stylish bar cart or a designated area decorated with metallic garlands, cocktail shakers, and fancy drinkware. Encourage guests to jot down their resolutions or wishes for the upcoming year on colorful sticky notes displayed on a dedicated wall or board. Ensure ample seating, including cozy nooks for intimate conversations and a dance floor for those ready to groove into the new year. Curate a playlist that sets the mood for the evening. Consider a mix of upbeat tunes for dancing and mellower tracks for quieter moments. If hosting indoors, ensure proper ventilation and consider any safety measures needed, especially if your gathering involves a larger group. Add personal touches to your decorations, such as framed photos, sentimental ornaments, or custom-made banners celebrating milestones from the past year. Plan for an easy cleanup by using disposable table covers or having a systematic post-party cleanup strategy in place. Embrace a bohemian aesthetic with layered rugs, floor cushions, dream catchers, and draped fabrics in warm, earthy tones to create a cozy and relaxed ambience. Incorporate fresh greenery and florals into your decor. Use eucalyptus garlands, potted plants, or floral arrangements to add natural beauty to your space. Experiment with mix-and-match tableware sets, combining different patterns, textures, and colors to create an eclectic and visually appealing tablescape. Introduce interactive elements like DIY craft stations, a Polaroid guest book, or a memory wall where guests can leave messages or photos to commemorate the night. Consider using light projection mapping to create dynamic visuals and transform your space with mesmerizing light displays, adding a modern and futuristic touch to your party. Create a memory lane walkway with photo frames or string lights displaying memorable moments from the past year, allowing guests to reminisce as they walk through. Use glow-in-the-dark stars or LED lights to create a celestial-inspired ceiling, simulating a starry night sky, perfect for a magical New Year's Eve atmosphere. Craft your own disco ball using mirrors, styrofoam, or reflective paper to scatter shimmering reflections and create a funky, disco-inspired vibe. Designate themed zones within your party space, such as a relaxation area with bean bags and soothing music or a game zone with classic board games and activities. If weather permits, extend your celebrations outdoors with fire pits, cozy blankets, and string lights to create a warm and inviting outdoor party space. Utilize LED strip lights or smart bulbs to create a customizable ambience. Set them to change colors or sync with the music for a dynamic visual experience. Incorporate an array of candles in varying heights and sizes. Opt for scented candles or create candle clusters to infuse a warm and inviting atmosphere. Create an interactive resolution wall where guests can write their aspirations for the upcoming year. This can be a large board or paper where everyone contributes. Set up a time capsule station with a container and note cards. Ask guests to write down predictions, wishes, or memories to be sealed and opened at the next New Year's celebration. Opt for a retro-themed party with disco balls, lava lamps, and neon signs reminiscent of the 70s and 80s for a fun and nostalgic ambience. Transform your space into a Hollywood-inspired setting with gold accents, red carpets, and glamorous props for a touch of celebrity-style sophistication. Create DIY confetti poppers using toilet paper rolls or push-up pop containers filled with colorful confetti for a festive moment when the clock strikes midnight. Craft DIY garlands using metallic paper, tinsel, or pom-poms. String them across walls, doorways, or tables to add texture and festive flair to your decor. Use ice buckets filled with ice and LED lights to display bottles of champagne or wine, doubling as eye-catching centerpieces. Elevate your table settings with luxurious tablecloths, sequin runners, or velvet overlays to add a touch of opulence to the dining area. Create custom signs or banners with New Year's greetings, quotes, or personalized messages to add a thoughtful and decorative element. Maintain a cohesive color palette throughout your decorations to create a harmonious and visually appealing party space. Engage your guests by involving them in setting up decorations or encouraging them to contribute to the party's theme or overall aesthetic. Remember, your New Year's party should reflect your style and personality, so feel free to get creative and add your unique touch to the decorations. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these decoration ideas, tips, and trends helpful in planning your fabulous New Year's celebration. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more party inspiration. Have a fantastic New Year's Eve, and until next time, party on!